Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be looking at Yu-Gi-Oh! Order of Chaos Special Edition box. So here's the front of the box, the back of the box, and now we'll take a look inside. Hopefully we'll get a Winged Dragon of Ra card. Just cut the sides. Okay, here's the 3 boosters you get for Order of Chaos. And yes, the Winged Dragon of Ra card. We'll open the boosters now. Try to open it properly, oh well. So we have Armor Ninjutsu of Freezing, Aqua Armor Ninja, Vampire Koala, Dicefoon, Inzektor Hopper, Inzektor Centipede, Photon Crusher, Air Armor Ninja, Dark Lawn. So that was our first pack. Our second pack. We have Shocktopus, Upstart Golden Ninja, Photon Leo, XZ Burst, Evoltoy Cassinerio, Inzektor Sword Zectaliber, holographic, Koala, Photon Circle, Double Defender. And now we'll look at the third booster pack. We get Aqua Armor Ninja again. Really long name. Oh, Interplanetary Purple Thorny Dragon. That's a long name. Curry Volt, Vampire Koala, Weights and Zan Measures, Splash Capture, Photon Trident, Inzektor Centipede, and Photon Crusher. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.